Excellence in manufacturing. It's a phrase that gets thrown around a lot. But what does it actually mean? Achieving manufacturing executional excellence isn't just a lofty goal. It's a necessity in today's competitive landscape. So, let's break it down into 5 actionable steps that can transform your organization into a beacon of excellence. First, we need to establish clearly understood and aligned needs and expectations. Sounds simple, right? But in reality, this is one of the most challenging aspects of performance management. Think about it. How often have you been in a meeting where everyone nods in agreement, but later, you find out that what one person understood was completely different from what someone else took away? Misalignment can lead to frustration and wasted effort. So, it's crucial to take the time to articulate expectations clearly and to document them. It's not enough to assume that everyone is on the same page. We need to create a culture where clarity is paramount. When expectations are clear, accountability becomes easier and teams can work cohesively towards common goals. Now, let's move on to the second step, ensuring performance capability and organizational priority. This is where we need to recognize a critical truth. Not everyone can do everything. It's a common misconception that just because someone is a good employee, they can tackle any challenge that comes their way. But the reality is that skills and experience matter. So, we must be patient and provide the necessary training and support for our teams to succeed. It's about understanding that excellence requires practice and a commitment to learning. We need to foster an environment where employees feel empowered to grow, make mistakes, and learn from them. This is how we build a resilient workforce capable of achieving high performance. The third step is all about monitoring the alignment of performance and expectations. This is where control charts come into play. These tools help track key metrics over time, allowing us to spot trends and identify problems early. Imagine being able to catch a potential issue before it escalates into a full-blown crisis. By regularly measuring results against our expectations, we can make informed decisions and adjustments as needed. This continuous feedback loop is vital for sustainability. When we achieve our desired results, it's time to celebrate and encourage further efforts. When we fall short, we need to take a collaborative approach to identify what went wrong and how to fix it. This is how we cultivate a culture of continuous improvement. Next, we arrive at the fourth step, maintaining a focus on a joint commitment to success. Excellence isn't a solo endeavor, it's a team sport. Every employee, from the shop floor to the C-suite, plays a vital role in achieving organizational goals. This means fostering teamwork, mutual support, and coordination of efforts. Leaders must inspire their teams to work together, breaking down silos and ensuring that everyone understands their contributions to the bigger picture. When everyone is aligned and committed to the same goals, the results can be extraordinary. It's about creating a sense of camaraderie where each team member feels valued and motivated to give their best. Finally, we reach the fifth step, designing and instilling sustainable process discipline. This is where the magic happens. Sustainable excellence requires robust process support. It's not enough to achieve high performance once, we need to maintain it over time. This involves understanding the measures of excellence and committing to continuous improvement. We need to create a culture where everyone is focused on producing high-quality products safely and efficiently. It's about making the process so disciplined that deviations are anticipated and managed before they become issues. Change is inevitable, but with the right processes in place, we can adapt and thrive. So, there you have it. 5 steps to achieving manufacturing executional excellence. It's a journey, not a destination. It requires commitment, collaboration, and a willingness to learn and adapt. By focusing on these key areas, organizations can not only survive, but thrive in today's fast-paced manufacturing environment. Remember, excellence is not just about meeting standards, it's about setting new ones and continuously striving to improve. Let's embrace this journey together, and who knows? We might just redefine what excellence looks like in manufacturing.